Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use RentEasy. Firstly, you need to install the app from the Google Play Store. And then open the app. Here you can read about the app. After that, you have to log in or sign up. So please enter your phone number. Next, click on the Continue button. Sign up with your name and few other details. In the next step, you have to verify your phone number. Now if you want to find for rent, please click on Search. First, you have to select the location. So for that, you can click on Current Location or enter manually. And then you have to select the category you want. Click on the checkbox only if you want to find for now. Here you can also filter the results. If you click on the item, you can find all the details of the listing. And you can contact the owner for free. There is a separate video on how to post your listing in RentEasy. If you are an owner, please watch that video and the link is in the description. Thank you for watching this video.